Welcome to HiBiz News. What's the new normal? As the world comes up with ways to find and contain the spread of COVID-19, the Indian industry is working out methods to keep the infection at bay. From thermal screening to basic temperature checks, to hand sanitization to disinfecting workplaces and buses, it's all happening. The food and beverage sector, which was among the first impacted during the lockdown, took its first baby steps as it discovered ways to win back the confidence of guests. From the arrival point of diners to garbage disposal, every point was gone through with a fine-tooth comb so as to ensure that nothing was left to chance. The way the diner is seated, the method in which the menu card is presented in both physical and digital format, the handling of food, the way it is served, the presentation of the bill, the contactless method, all points to the new normal. This is something that I saw personally at the INL Cafe in Madhapur and also at Pragati Resorts where I had gone the other day. Life is now going to be the same again. Then comes the industries where food is pre-cooked, like ready-to-eat snacks is involved. And here too, those involved in the operations are thoroughly checked for the health parameters and work areas are kept squeaky clean and hygienic. We have seen that at Bambino the other day, and we were well and truly impressed. Even the high-end sweets and savories outlet Dadu's, which has a string of outlets across the Twin Cities, has ensured strict controls at its production, transportation, and finally, when consumer is served. Also, the new methods like contactless pickup has become quite popular with customers at Dadu's. High-traffic hotels have another issue at hand: how to ensure that customers spend minimal time waiting for a table and order before they reach the restaurant so that the food is ready and served quickly and they leave immediately after that. No longer sauntering for hours together and chatting up. Well, that's a sad fact. But truly, we saw Taj Mahal Hotel in Jubilee Hills quick off the tracks in training their staff and ensuring that the drill was perfect when the hotel opened its doors following Unlock 1.0. Even factories that produce cooking oil are changing the way they deal with the product from the time it enters the factory in raw form till it's finally dispatched to the retail outlets. And we saw the other day this happen at the Santoshi Mata oil refineries and also the packaging unit located in Krishnapatnam. The staff, many of whom come from the nearby areas, are checked thoroughly, given immune-boosting herbal drink, wear masks, visors, gloves and aprons. Pretty, they should ensure, and they are ensuring, that they stay safe. We as a nation are used to eating pani puris and chaat by the roadside. That was before the pandemic. Now, the pani puri wala has also become extremely conscious about the product he is selling. So if he is taking the pandemic seriously, so are the food and beverage outlets and factories. Then it's time that you and me take it seriously too. Let us do our bit by wearing masks, washing our hands frequently, and not venturing out into the crowded places often. Stay safe and stay involved. Thank you for watching.